Hello and welcome back to 101 English. I am your teacher, Carlos David Ventura. Today we talk about time, not just the clock, but your day. What do you do every day, from the morning to the night? Let's learn how to describe your routine. To talk about your day, you need action words. We call these verbs. Listen and repeat. Wake up. I wake up in the morning. Eat. I eat breakfast. Go. I go to work or I go to school. Relax. I relax in the evening. Sleep. I sleep at night. Now let's add the time. In English, when we say a specific hour, we use the word at. Listen. I wake up at 7. I eat lunch at 12. I sleep at 11. It's your turn. I will ask, when do you wake up? And you answer, I wake up at, and say your time. Ready? When do you wake up? When do you eat dinner? When do you go to sleep? Excellent work. Listen to Mark. Mark is a very busy manager. Listen for the times he mentioned. Mark, tell us about your day. Well, I wake up very early at 5 a.m. I eat a quick breakfast and then I go to work at 6. I work all day. I finally relax at 8 p.m. and I sleep at 10. Wow, Mark, you need a vacation. Let's play a logic game. I will say 2 words. You will tell me which one happens first in a normal day. Sleep or wake up? That's right. Wake up is first. Eat breakfast or eat dinner? Yes, eat breakfast is first. Go to work or relax? Exactly. Usually we work first and then we relax. You are doing amazing. Here is your homework for this week. Write down 3 things you do every day and time in the comment section. For example, I eat at 1 o'clock. And then practice saying it out loud 3 times. Thank you for listening to 101 English. Next week, we are going to go shopping. We will learn about places in the city and directions. I am Carlos David Ventura. See you next time. Bye bye.